Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Busy lifestyles, hectic schedules, and long working hours take a toll on our physical and mental well-being. Considering the increasing number of health issues that arise from an unhealthy lifestyle, many people are switching to healthy eating alternatives to stay away from life-threatening diseases. Even if people have less time, they make it a point to indulge in some physical activities. Apart from eating healthy and following a regular exercise regime, there are a few changes that you can make to lead a healthy life. Here are 5 simple changes that can help you lead a healthy life. Number 1. Get enough sleep. Another secret to staying healthy and fit is getting enough sleep. Adequate sleep is not just enough to boost your mood or remove puffy eyes, but is also the key to keeping you physically and mentally healthy. Insufficient sleep can lead to serious health problems such as obesity, heart problems, and diabetes. As a result, it is recommended to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day. Number 2. Invest in time for yourself. The hectic schedules of daily life leave little or no time for a person to dedicate to themselves. Take some time out every weekend to relax, unwind, and focus on yourself. Spending some time on yourself on weekends will help you relax, so that you are full of energy when the new week starts. Number 3. Run for your heart's health. Apart from toning up the body, running every day takes care of your daily cardio quota. Running also prevents strokes, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Running 2 or 3 times a week significantly lowers the risk of suffering from cardiovascular diseases. So, if you are aiming to have a healthy and balanced life, make sure you run not only for your body but your heart as well. Number 4. Invest in a vegetable purifier. Gone are the days when vegetables used to reach us directly from the farms. Today, they go through a long process of beautification before reaching the supermarkets. The beautification process involves the use of chemicals that give vegetables the perfect color. No matter how much care you invest when buying vegetables, you can't be sure of the chemicals in pesticides. Investing in a vegetable purifier is the best solution to keep yourself away from pesticides and chemicals that can cause extreme harm to your body. Number 5. Switch from conventional to cold-pressed juice. Juices play a major role in a dietary life. However, to get the maximum benefits, it is advisable to switch to cold-pressed juice instead of the conventional ones. Some of the top benefits of cold-pressed juices include: it tastes better than conventional juices. Cold-pressed juicers work on a low-speed squeezing technique that helps in retaining the nutrients and original taste of the fruit, unlike traditional juices. It gives an instant boost to the immune system. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.